whoever was reaching out those audience were intending to reach that this is the money given to them. It is good cause. It will all be appreciated by all. It's non-business-like. And you know, anything that you pursue which is non-business-like can only reach thus far, and then possibly it slows down or does not impact, has a larger impact. So I think we saw tremendous move in the MFI in the last few years, barring those events that have happened, and it will be important for us to see. The reason I'm raising this issue is we know any economic activity that will be done will have, whether you call them events which we dislike to call them as scams, or you call them economic shocks, or you call them economic accidents. Those kind of events will take place. Do we have the resilience to filter out those and let the industry move on, as against clamping down every time we have a shock? And I think this nation has suffered more from clamping down with every shock rather than move forward. And this, I think, is the tremendous weakness of our system, which we all believe is very resilient. But every time there's a shock of small quantum, we slow down as a nation, and we all get into introspection to say, have heavens fallen, or do we need to move forward? And I think this resilience is going to be the test of what we will do for those people who are economically excluded before we even, and we can go with numbers that we have not penetrated. So we had two strategies, strategy for economically included and economically excluded. So